Namaste. I'm Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla. This video is all about an important health topic. So please stay tuned until the end.
Honey. Subject inputs by Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla, MD Ayurveda. Fascinating points. Honey is considered a very holy substance, used regularly during Indian worshipping. A lot of information is available in the Vedas. When pure honey is stored in a vessel or bottle for some days, the crystals of sugar settle down, which are of a similar quality as that of honey. When honey is collected from grapes, dates, coconut, or banana, it contains more amount of glucose. It is also observed that the bees generally do not leave their selected inflorescence. Atharvaveda says that, "May all the medicines be full of honey. May the skies and the earth be filled with honey. May the entire universe be filled with honey. May the king be blessed with honey, and we all gain peace and health and abide in tranquility." Thus, honey is considered to be a very important substance by ancient scholars. Let us gather some information about how honey is extracted and stored. The honeybees, which collect the honey, lead such a strictly controlled social life that human beings can't follow such a lifestyle. The unity, sincerity, and union which these insects exhibit are simply incomparable. Each bee works sincerely as per the allotted schedule. All the bees follow a strict work schedule. Some bees collect honey. Some work as a supervisor, and the one female bee lays eggs. The female bee or the queen hatches eggs and lays almost 2000 eggs every day. Caterpillars are born of these eggs, and bee is born after the stage of a cocoon. Out of these, the queen bee becomes mature in 16 days, the collector bee in 21 days, and the male bees are matured in 24 days. The lifespan of a queen is to 3 years, that of collector bees is around 3 to 4 months, and 2 to 3 months for the male bees. In each honeycomb, there is only one queen. It is the biggest of all, reddish in color, with a long abdomen and small but shiny wings. It leaves the comb only once for copulation with male bees and returns to the comb to lay eggs. The collecting bees are maximum in number. These bees consist of a sting at the backside, by which they protect themselves from enemies and sometimes even attack the intruder of the honeycomb. However, the sting is useful only once in a lifetime. The wax, which is used to form the floor and ceiling of the honeycomb, is secreted from their wax glands. The collector bees keep the honeycomb clean and provide food to the newborns and the queen. After one comb is produced fully, the collector bees fly elsewhere to form a new honeycomb. If someone touches the comb, these bees can harm the person intensely, but they never harm anyone if not instigated. The male bees are smaller in number. These are black and without a sting. Their only purpose during life is to copulate the queen and make her pregnant. Once the process of copulation is over, these bees die immediately. Each collector bee consists of a bag below the abdomen to collect honey. Its main food is spores and honey. Sometimes these bees ingest excessive honey and die due to diarrhea. To collect 3 kilograms of honey, the bees have to collect honey from 750,000 flowers. Types of honey. Depending upon the types and species of the bees, there are various types of honey available in the market. Also, the qualities of the flowers of particular herbs are inherited in the honey collected from them. As per the Ayurvedic scholars, there are 8 types of honey, known by different names such as Brahmar, Shodra, Pautik, Chhatra, Arghya, Dala, Audalka, and Makshika. The makshika is golden colored and considered to be of the best quality. Recently collected honey is considered to be unripe and is discarded, whereas the stored honey is considered to be of good quality and is used in medicine and food. The honeycombs, which contain old honey, are sealed with wax. Ideally, 1-year-old honey is considered to be the best for use. How to identify the best honey? As per the logical tests described in ancient science, honey, which has the best qualities, sinks when added to a glass of water. It is discarded by the bees and dogs. Since honey has a peculiar odor, the dogs can smell it due to their strong smelling capacity. If dropped on the dry cloth, it does not stain it, and it burns like oil. However, in present days, it is mandatory to carry out thorough laboratory testing of honey to know its qualities. Qualities of honey as per the 5 sense organs. External appearance. Pure honey has a yellowish tinge similar to the ghee made out of cow's milk. However, the color might show slight variations as per the season and time duration. Taste. The taste of honey depends upon the flowers from which it is collected. Though it can be of a variety of tastes, the main is sweet and astringent. Smell. Honey does not leave any residue after it is burnt completely. Honey has a peculiar smell. For masking the offending odor of some products, such as castor oil, cod liver oil, etc., honey is added. Touch. Honey gets a liquid consistency due to temperature. If honey is rubbed between 2 fingers, it becomes more liquid, but if liquefied sugar is rubbed, it becomes more solidified. Sound. Though honey consists of 10% water, it burns noiselessly like oil or ghee if cotton is soaked in honey and burnt. Medicinal uses. As honey has a good amount of vitamins A and B complex, it is used widely in medicine and food products. Insect bite. For insect bite, a paste of honey, ghee, and rock salt should be applied. Wound. Any wound or ulcer should be cleansed with water and honey, after which a sterile bandage soaked in pure ghee should be applied to the wound. This prevents secondary infections and helps in the faster healing of wounds. Regular application of honey on wounds acts as a wound healer. Injury. In case of pain due to injury or in acute burns, a mixture of honey and ghee should be applied to the affected area. Dull complexion. Honey, as a local application, also acts as a complexion improver and changes the color of discolored skin within 20 to 25 days. Toothache. In case of a toothache or dental caries, cotton soaked in honey should be kept on the affected tooth to reduce pain. Earache. In the case of earache, honey can also be used as ear drops. Eye disorders. It is used as an eye application in case of impaired or weak vision. It is successfully used as a local application in case of an epidemic of conjunctivitis. Itching. Locally applied, honey reduces the itching. Hoarseness of voice. In case of hoarseness of voice, honey should be licked constantly. This acts as an expectorant and helps in bringing the phlegm out. It can also be given along with a powder of long pepper.
Feeling great for your interest. I am signing off for now. In the next video, I will meet you with another topic. For more interesting videos like this, please subscribe this channel and click the bell button. Shatam Jiva, Sarado Vardhamanaha. Shatam Hemantan, Shatam Vasantan. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe, be positive, and keep smiling. Love you all. Subham.
డాక్టర్ చిరుమామిళ్ల మురళీ మనోహర్, ఎండి ఆయుర్వేద, రక్ష ఆయుర్వేదాలయ, ప్లాట్ నంబర్ 13, రామ్మూర్తి నగర్, సిబిసిఐడి కాలనీ, హైదర్ నగర్, హైదరాబాద్ 5,85,000. తెలంగాణ స్టేట్, ఇండియా. ల్యాండ్ మార్క్ కుక్కట్పల్లి ఏరియా, మెట్రో ట్రైన్ పిల్లర్ నంబర్ A663. ఈమెయిల్ muralymanohar2008@gmail.com. వెబ్సైట్ అడ్రస్ www.muralymanohar.com. ఫోన్ నంబర్స్ 9246575510, 9177445454.